Abigail had a capybara named Steve. He wore a little hat you wouldn't believe. They sat by the pond with a pile of dreams, a stack of paper and some magic schemes. Fold it once, fold it twice, Steve said, make it precise. Paper airplanes soaring high, touching clouds in the blue sky. With a whoosh and a laugh they flew so far. Magic Steve and Abigail, a pair bizarre. Steve whispered spells with a wag of his tail. Their planes danced loops like a fairy tale. One flew through a rainbow, came out gold. Another told stories that were never old. Folded square, folded neat, adventures ready on repeat. Paper